Hey Norm. So here are all the emails for Jeff. So what we're getting done are 20 emails a month for him. So Alexi's writing those up, and we are going to be sending out 20 emails a month to his current database, or to all his paying clients. So we just want to send one a day at midday. But only Monday to Friday. So that should be 20 over a month. Now I know you've loaded up a couple already. I can't remember which ones were approved and which there were about 6 or 7 I think that you had already loaded up. So the ones that you have loaded up, can you just send them out now? They don't have to be in chronological order, so it's okay. But just make sure one email gets sent out each day at midday for the next 20 days from today. From starting from tomorrow, to midday Sydney time. If you can just set that up and make sure upload all the remaining ones that you haven't uploaded yet, and then just schedule them all to go out consecutively, one after another, at midday for every day, except for Saturday, Sunday. Thanks.